Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you a video to tell you what you're going to be doing today. You're going to go to Classwork tab. It's the week September 14th through the 18th. Here is your agenda with what we're going to be doing for the entire week. Please take a few moments to write that in your agenda or your notebook. Then you're going to go to CNN 10. Here is the link. Click the Google Doc while you are watching. The link is also in the Google Doc. While you are watching, write down 2 facts that you've learned from watching. Don't give me your opinion on CNN 10. I need you to write down facts that you learn from watching the video. Like, there's a thing about the wildfires. There's a thing about bees. Tell me what you learned. And don't forget to turn it in when you are done. After that, there is a video in here. I went through all of your what I want to know about 9/11. I went through the KWL chart, this guy here, and I answered a bunch of your questions. So you'll need to watch this video, and if you have not yet clicked what you learned, you need to go to the 3rd tab, what I learned about 9/11, and you need to add your sticky note with your name on it. Then after you do that, there is a Google Doc here. I will walk you through it. You are going to respond to the following questions or prompts. The questions are about the 5 themes of geography: Mr. Help, movement, region, human-environment interaction, location, and place. So you're going to click open the document, and it asks you your opinion on your location. You will use this opportunity to apply one of the 5 themes to your own environment. You'll answer questions about what you like and dislike about your location, place, human-environment interaction, movement, and region. So it says name 2, oh, I went too far. Name 2 ways to pinpoint the exact location of your home on the earth. List 5 things you like about the place where you live. And this is not just your house. This is your neighborhood, your town, your city. List 5 things you would change about the place where you live. Again, it's not just your home. Then tell me 3 ways that you've helped protect your environment. And that is your assignment. And then when you are done, you will go back to the assignment in your Google Classroom and you will click turn it in. So please get started on all of your classwork. And don't forget to turn it in when you are done.